Hey there, I just got the Behringer UB1 micro, and this is an unboxing. So here it is. This is the box that it came in. Opened it up here. Bit plain, but sturdy. Nice box in there. I'm going to open it up now. Slide that open. Nothing much to it. Anyway, that's the inside of it. Get a bit of a paper there with rubbish on. Open this part up here now, and you get the MIDI cable that you would use to connect it to your keyboard if you're using an external keyboard. So that's it there. Small MIDI cable, and that's the UB1 there in its wrapping. Looks quite sturdy and everything. Yeah, just open it up now anyway, and see, yeah, that's it there. Take this off here for the display, and I'm going to give it, I'm going to just hook it up now and just give it a bit of a trial. Not that it will be anything fantastic, mind you, because of the actual sound quality. So just switch it on now. This is what it sounds like. Excuse the blurriness. This is only an unboxing, by the way, so I'm just testing it out. A few little presses, that's about it. Excuse the blurriness. Mind you, I think that the volume output on this unit could have been a bit better. It seems a bit low. I've got the gain on my mixer right up and all of the volume, and it isn't that loud. So that's a bit of a backward draw on it, but apart from that, it just sounds pretty good. Okay, that's it. Like and subscribe. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.